All right, good morning, world. It's Wednesday, February 10th. It's about 0 degrees Fahrenheit out here. Today's video is going to be a short one. I had someone ask what I do for floor protection now that the floor is in. And actually, it's a good question. And here's how we do it. We take all the cardboard I've asked them to save and lay it on the floor. And what this does, obviously, is it allows the people who are in the trades to come in and out without having to worry about the floor. So you can see that it's just cardboard. And as you're making your way down here, you're walking on the cardboard, taking the wear and tear off of the floor. And by the time you get here, your boots are clean. No more gravel, no more salt, no more dirt. And you can see where Kevin, the finish carpenter, has got his little setup here, where he's got the cardboard underneath the feet of his equipment. So it's turned out to be a pretty good idea. I think the floor is tough anyway. It's luxury vinyl plank from Home Depot. It's called LifeProof. It's got a very thick wear layer on it, which is one of the reasons I chose it, in addition to the fact that it's got a warranty against UV damage since there's a lot of sun coming in. I don't think it'll be a big deal, but it's got a good warranty, especially for residential use. It's got a 10-year warranty for commercial. So that's the plan. I just thought I'd let everybody know that's what the cardboard's for. They're starting to work on the tile. Just take a little peek in here. Yep, looking good. And then we got Kevin's remote shop here. Yeah, I just call every shop he has remote, yeah. All right, so that's what we're looking at. This is the cardboard. Helps protect the floor so people don't have to take their shoes off. Although I had one guy taking his shoes off, and he was the guy laying the floor because he didn't want his floor ruined. So I will talk to you later. Keep smiling. Bye.